Upgrading your air filters can really make a difference. So we decided to upgrade to the Filtrete air filters. All right, let's go ahead and open this thing up and I'll show you what it looks like. The nice thing about these Filtrete air filters is that they have different versions you can get. They have their basic clean living model, and this is all the stuff that it filters out. And then we upgraded to the Allergen Defense. It does all the same things the clean living one does, plus it also does pet dander because we have a cat. You can do the allergen and odor reduction, which has all the same stuff as Allergen Defense, plus it has an odor reduction. And then there's also the Healthy Living, which has a whole bunch more things here that it does. So yeah, these filters are pretty nice. They're very versatile and they give you a lot of different choices. The one that we have here says it has a 1000 microparticle performance rating for the filtration level. It shows you a bar here for your dust and lint and then for your pollen and pet dander. It says these filters will last for 3 months. All right, let's go ahead and put these up in the air filtration system and I'll go ahead and show you how they look up there. Before I install these, I like to write the date on them so I can remember when I put them on there. They last for 3 months, so that way I can keep track of them. If you see on here, there's an arrow, and that's the way the airflow is going to go. So if you install it like this, the airflow is going to come up in here, so this is the bottom. So I'm going to write the date on the bottom. I like to write the date in a few spots, and then I also like to put a reminder on my phone, or I like to ask Alexa to remind me to change the air filters. The nice thing about these filters is we just need one of them. So we got a 2-pack here, so this is going to last us for 6 months. So we can just set it up to order new air filters every 6 months, but we'll have to set up our own reminder, and there are a few different ways to do that. As long as you remind yourself to change it in 3 months, then you shouldn't have any problems. All right, so I got the dates on there. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put them up in the vent. Here's our air filters up here. In our setup, we have 2 of the 20 by 20s over here and another 20 by 20 in the bedroom. And then right here is where the 20 by 30 is. There's just 2 latches on here that you undo. Just undo those latches and then the door opens up and you can take out your old filter. And then I can put the new one in here. And just make sure you do the arrow facing up because that's where the airflow goes. Sometimes it can be a little bit of a tight fit when you have to clear the screws that are on there. But if you put it where the screw is first, it'll be easier to push in there. There you go, now we got our filter up there. There's the old filter, it's a little bit dusty there, but now that we got the new filter up there and we're on track to change it every 3 months, we should be all set.